How to find recently watched video on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find videos that you watched on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, head over to the bottom right corner on the menu section. After you're on your menu, tap on the gear icon that is on the top right. It will take you to settings and privacy. After you do that, you'll then need to scroll down. And after you scroll down, just find an option that says activity log. It's under your activity section. Tap on activity log. And after you tap on your activity log, you will see your Facebook activity. Now you can expand on your Facebook activity, and there you should see different options such as reels, videos and stuff. So we'll just scroll till we find reels and we'll just tap on manage reels. After doing that, here you will get filters. Tap on filters, and from here you can actually find all the videos that you watched. And it's basically that simple now. And that's basically how you find recently watched videos and reels on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.